Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, you're very much welcome. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to make this vegetable fried rice. It is very affordable and easy to make. All you need to do is watch till the end to see how it was done. And if you find it helpful, please like this video. You can leave a comment and as well share for others to see. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally free. So let's begin. Here are the basic ingredients I'll be using for my fried rice. I won't be using much. Like I said, this is an easy recipe. First, in my pot, I'll go in with water and I'll add in my rice. I'll parboil this for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is what we'll have. I'll take it out of the fire and I'll wash my rice. I'll drain out this water, wash it and set aside. In my pot, I have in some water. I'll go in with my curry powder. I'll go in with my salt. Then I'll add my seasoning cube. Next, I'll go in with my rice. I'll give this a gentle stir and cover to cook. I won't let this overcook. Depending the rice you're using, if your rice do take time to cook, you should know how long you should let it to cook. But it shouldn't get sticky. That's one thing about fried rice. Your rice should not get sticky. It should be able to stand on its own. So next, I'm going to chop my vegetables. The carrot, I'll be cutting it in 3 different styles just to make it a bit colorful and unique. So this is the first method and I'll proceed to cut the second method. You can tell me your name in the comment section and where you're watching from, and you can also tell me what you think about this method of vegetable fried rice. And that's the second one I just did. Proceeding to the third one. Next, I'll cut my red pepper. So I've already taken out the seed from the pepper. You can also use a bell pepper for this. If you can't find this type, use a bell pepper. Next, my green peas, I'll just chop this. If you have any question, please do well to leave it in the comment section and I'll give an answer. And next, I'll cut my onion. You can decide to cut yours in cube shape. I decided to slice my onion because I love seeing my onion in my food. Next, I will add some oil to my frying pan and I'll whisk my egg, then pour my egg into the pan. So once this is done, I'll set it aside. In my pot, I'll add in some oil. Next, I'll add my onion. Next, I'll go in with my carrots. So I started with the carrot because it's a bit hard. When you're doing your fried rice, make sure you start with the hard vegetables first so it can get cooked before you add the other vegetables. Next, I'll go in with my green peas and also give it a good stir. I'll be adding some salt. Remember, we added salt in the rice, so I don't need to add much here. We also added some seasoning cube in the rice. I don't need to add much here. So I added salt and seasoning cube. I added more spice to it to give it the green color. Next, I will add my chili pepper and I'll give this a good stir. Once this is done, I'll go in with my sweet corn and I'll also give it a good stir. Like I told you in the beginning of this video, this method is very easy and also affordable. You don't need to break the bank because you want to cook. Next, I'm adding the pepper, the green and the red pepper. Lastly, I'll go in with my scrambled egg. I don't like my vegetable being overcooked, so this is just okay for me. Next, I'll be mixing my veggies with my rice to give it the magical look. I don't need to let it cook again because they are well cooked. All I need to do is just mix it together and take it off the fire. So here we have our delicious fried rice. Tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. If you find it helpful, please do well to like this video, leave a comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.